So, if you need to wash your hands and you don't know how, and I can teach you how to wash your hands. Come here. So, you open the tap and you put your hands under it using your hands, see? And you scrub, you scrub it around, yeah, like this. And now you need to put soap on, so you get some soap and put it on your hand using your hand. Scrub it around your hand like this. Then you can do this, and this, and do it on the other side, that. Also this, see? Just go like that and put it on your hand. Do that, and go like that. Now, go like this. Now turn the tap on again. And you put it up on your hand, go to the top, turn it off, get that, and then get a fresh clean towel. So you do this. And now if you have this on, then you just put the tap, put it on your hand, and put it right where it is. And you need a mirror. And then when you're done doing that, you can dry your hand and dry this part here, like a moustache. And now let me the cold part. Now, if you don't know how to do put one in, and then you don't know how to put that one in, you can have a glow mark. So, if you want, you can. How to do it is you see the sleeve, you put your arm in one, and then you got it. You put it around like that, like now you put this arm through here, and now you put the on. This is Rocky. And that's how you do it. And now, if you don't know how to do the zip, you can figure it out yourself. But I want to teach you. So you put this in here, just you do like this, and you do that while you do it. Now you hold on to it really tight. If that doesn't work, then you pull off and do it. Try it again. Put really tight this time. And now you put it right in, tight. Now you hold on as hard as you can, and you put it on. And if it works, you can pull the zip up. But if it doesn't work, then just do it how I told you again, like this. If you're done, and then you've done it.